Ka office jangka district medical and health officer DMHO West Castles district Noston kala rakhe kasngi International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Ya kabalabu ikapang pedeng kaboong, the evidence is clear, invest in prevention. Ha kate gajialang rakhe kasngi persya drug, uba V.Swer Mcs ADC, ulawan manlong kumukongsan, rengkat kajian lang ubikram di Marak, Superintendent of Police jangka West Castles District, kakong Aishadab Clinical Psychologist bat kiwi-kiwi. Ukongsan haba Jing kren ulakan tui Khun Samla bakin kiar, na kini ke jingdi pen buaj baper namar kamet jung ubreu kalong temple ublay shushu ulong baka JINGWAN Lyngshop jung une jingdi pen buaj bakan sya kade ke JINGWAN her Thma ka bana syabar ban kini ika hok jung Jaidbynriew ta kabarung leng baki Khun Samla ha ka baki long yelong sem ki pai ki jot bat ki pra ya ketika jingalang lapan long anong stan college nang pandang balapnya ya ketika jingalang Dr. R Marwin DNO DMHP.
How many types of drugs are there? Drugs is a chemical composition that we use for various purposes. Okay? So when you use, we say drug use. When the doctors prescribe medication, you have seen a medical shop where it's written drugstore. Have you seen? Yes? Do you need to say they sell drugs to, to fix or maybe to... Is it that? No. Right? Drugs means different compositions of chemicals that are used to treat certain disease, but and drug abuse. What is drug abuse? Abuse. Not use, abuse. What is abuse? Yes. What is abuse? Anyone? When you miss. Yes. Let me see the right side, the ladies or the gentlemen here, the boys or the girls. Let me see who will answer. Abuse. What is abuse? Come on, girls, or come on, boys. Abuse. Abuse is that you misuse or you are taking that is not required. For example, sometimes the doctor gives you a cough syrup and the doctor has written only for 5 days. And then what happened? You take it like, in your own, since you like it, you take it for a long time. That is, you're abusing. Okay? You understood, right? So if you see, it is observation of International Day Against Drug Abuse, not drug use, drug abuse. You misuse. Most of the time, how many types of drugs are there? Yes. There are only 2 types. You must be thinking, hey, she's crazy, but she's saying 2 types. There's 2 types. One is what we call legal drugs. Legal drugs means when you go and buy, police will not catch you. Like what? Very good, medicine, yes. And what else? What else? Medicine. Anything else that they will not catch you? That is known as legal drugs. Even alcohol. Do you catch these people when you go and buy alcohol? No. But in the shop open, you have seen, no? Lots of shop open. When you go and buy, that is permitted, right? So legal drugs. Illegal drugs. Can you give me an example? What is illegal drugs? Yes. Illegal drugs. Where the police will be behind you. Okay? Means which is not legal, which is illegal means which they give hidingly. Like what? Anyone can give me example? Anyone? Come on, all the students over here, even in your classroom you do this. Yeah? Have you heard the name of any drugs that the police will catch you? You have not heard? No! Then, wow, excellent. I guess this one, evidence is clear, invest in prevention. So this is prevention, which means I will give you information, but with that information, you still want to take drugs, then it's a problem, okay?
Coming to the heavy one. Suppose you just not only take drugs or abuse yourself, but instead you wanted to become rich overnight. Transporting, carrying, selling, okay, and it has got two things: commercial quantity and small quantity. Small quantity, okay, 10,000 fine and only 10 years imprisonment only. Because we Indians love to calculate money only. If it is 1 crore also behind, it will be only. Okay, so 10 years only with 10,000 fine. The fine has been decreased and your duration of staying has been increased. That is for the small quantity. Suppose you are caught with the commercial quantity. Commercial quantity 5 grams and above. If you are thinking of buying a vehicle overnight and you indulge in this business, you get caught, and that also with me, gone case. How much do you think is the punishment if you get caught with the commercial quantity? How much? Any idea? Any guessing? 10 to 20 years. Your teenage is finished. Your adulthood also half 50%. So my question is, and that also along with 1 to 2 lakhs only fine. That means that may be for your, I think, fooding and accommodation charges for spending 10 to 20 years in the jail. So got the punishment. So the choice is yours. I leave the choice to you. You want to get caught for 1 year, or you want to get caught for 20 years, or you don't want to get caught also. Choice is yours. Okay? You all are teenage, like you said, we are teenage, right? So you know the punishment now. And Madam have given you the consequences. And Madam has narrated the stories also, which we can call it a live story, not a fiction. Okay, it's a fact. And I am telling you, in West Khasi Hills itself, there are few cases where drug abuser has died because of overdose. So Nongstein is not lagging behind. We are developing, but I don't want to see this development as a law enforcement agency and as a SP. I don't want to see this. That's why the youngsters are here today, like you all, so that you know what is good and what is bad. And again, it has been referred in Madam. Always get yourself knowledgeable on these things. Don't get carried away by the peer group. Yes, I know. School days, college days, we have friends left, right. Without friends, we don't eat. Without friends, we don't study. And temptation is high. I think true. We also came from the stage where you are now.